Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at Full Blast textbook chapter 3 pages 48 and 49. This lesson is suitable for the Form 4 and the Form 5 students. Now, if you are the Form 4 students, let's turn to page 48 and you will find this. Write a formal letter or a formal email of application. What is it that you are going to apply? You are going to apply for a job. Okay, so this is the example of a job application. Okay, first let's look at the job advertisement or the vacancy advertisement. Shop assistant needed for souvenir shop. Okay, I give you a few seconds, okay, to read through the advertisement. Okay, done. Now let's look at the email of application. When you want to apply for a job, you must use this format in your email or your letter. Okay, but now very seldom people use letter. Because we are in the era of technology, so you should use email. Okay, so you must have the from and the to. So from you, so you should write your email. Your email address should be here. And to is the email address of the company. Okay, and the salutation, dear sir or madam. I am writing to apply for the position of shop assistant as advertised on the website searchforwork.com. Okay, so please read through everything. Paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, and the last one you must have the ending that you must sign off as your name, yours faithfully, example, Erin Peters. I give you some time to read the sentences. Done. Okay, now let's go to this exercise. Read the email again and find the formal words that correspond to the more informal meanings given below. What does it mean? When you write an email of application, you must use formal words instead of informal words. So you should know that these 6 words or phrases are informal. So you need to change all these 6 items into formal words. Example like number 1 here. Okay. The word is job. But in paragraph 1, if you read again the email of application, Erin Peters didn't use the word job. But instead, she used the word position. I would like to apply for the position of shop assistant. Number 2, right or acceptable for something. Right or acceptable for something. I am right for this job. So you don't say I am right for this job. Instead, you must say I am suitable for this job. Okay, when you write an application, when you write a job application, you must say something positive about yourself. So you want to say, I have qualities and skills required for the job. So that is wrong. So instead of using the words qualities and skills, you must use qualifications. I have the qualifications needed for the job or for the position. Okay, what about number 4? We have the word free. What does it mean by free? Example, I am free on Sunday. I am free on Saturday. So I can work on Saturday and Sunday. So instead of using the word free, you must use available. I am available to work on Sundays. Okay, number 5, you have the word on time here. Okay, I am always on time. So instead of using the word on time, you can use the word punctual. I am a punctual person. I am always punctual. Having to do with. The word is regarding. Okay, so you need to copy down all this in your composition exercise book. Now, let's look at the plan with the set phrases or expressions and rewrite the sentences below in a more formal manner. I don't say that these sentences are wrong, but they are more too informal. When you are writing a job application or when you are writing a formal email, so you need to write in a formal manner. Example, number 1. I'm writing to you because I want to know more things about the ad I saw in the paper. Actually, this is not wrong. Maybe the word ad is not suitable because ad means it's the short form of advertisement. Okay, so this is more formal. So you should write, I am writing with regard to the advertisement in the newspaper on 5th August. That is more specific. Okay, if you have your book, this is in page 49. Number 2, right now I've got a job at the post office. So the formal manner, currently I am working at the post office. Number 3, I can work on Saturdays if you like. I am available to work on Saturdays. Number 4, I think I'm quite friendly. Formal manner, I consider myself as a friendly person. Number 5, if you want to talk to me, I can come and see you anytime you like. This is when you talk to your friend. But when you want to apply for a job, you must say, I am available for an interview at your convenience. Number 6, I can't wait to hear from you. I am looking forward to hearing from you. Okay, why to must have the ing? Okay, because to hearing is called a gerund, not a verb. You must copy down this exercise in your composition exercise book. Now, imagine you have seen the following advertisement and have decided to apply for the job. Write a formal letter or email of application. It says staff needed for pet shop. Okay, so the name of the employer, Happy Paws. The location is in London. Okay, job type part-time. Apply to Happy Paws. Okay, so this is the address of Happy Paws. Okay, staff required for new Happy Paws pet shop. Applicants must love animals, must be 16 years old, years of age and over, must be reliable and responsible. They must also be able to work part-time, 2 afternoons a week and Saturday mornings. Previous work experience will be an advantage. Minimum wage. Okay, so how do we write the email of application for this advertisement? I have prepared the sample for you. Let's go to the sentences one by one. Okay, but before that, let's look at the tips. When writing a formal letter or email of application, use the appropriate layout. Use formal language, don't use short forms or abbreviations. Begin and end with appropriate phrases. Invent a name for a newspaper, magazine or website and a date when referring to the advertisement if these are not given. Read the advertisement carefully, identify the qualifications required for the job, write in a confident manner describing your good qualities. Don't mention your bad qualities. Okay, what are the sentences? Let's look at the sample answer that you must copy down in your composition exercise book. Okay, so before that, when writing a formal letter or email of application, follow the plan below. Okay, you must have the salutation or the greeting, dear sir, dear madam. Okay, if you know the name of the person, dear Mr. Bean, for example, dear Mrs. Gordon, for example, and you must have the opening paragraph like saying, I'm writing with regard to your advertisement, I saw your advertisement. Okay, and you must have your paragraphs. Okay, let's look at the sentence. Of course, you need to have the email address of the company. So it's not given there. So you need to create happypaws@gmail.com. If it is given, you just copy down. Okay, and then from, so you write from you, okay, and your email address. Okay, the subject, application for pet shop part-time assistant, and you must have the salutation, dear sir or dear madam, dear sir or madam. Okay, I'm writing this letter to apply for the position of part-time shop assistant. I came across the advertisement of this job vacancy at jobstreet.com. I am Jimmy Ben Smith from Kuala Lumpur. I will be 18 years old this November and currently I'm pursuing my studies in information technology at a university in London because the advertisement is in London, right? Therefore, I am able to use computer very well. In addition, I am quite fluent in French and Spanish. In addition, I have previous experience working in a school's cooperative store when I was in Kuala Lumpur. In my previous job, I was entrusted with accounts and monetary affairs of the store. I am always punctual and I understand teamwork as well as being polite to customers. In short, I consider myself to be trustworthy and responsible. See, you must write everything positive, okay, the good quality that you have. Finally, I am available for an interview at your convenience. I am looking forward to hearing from you soon. Now, your work. Copy all this in your composition exercise books. I will check your books when I see you in the class. Bye for now.